Hello friends, once again we will think about the vowels. You know that in last video we talked about the speech mechanism or the production of sound, how sounds are produced, what actually happen when we produce a sound. So in that particular video we thought everything, how the mechanism comes in our mouth when we produce any kind of sound. So friends, this is the next turn now, which is very important as far as the exam is concerned here. So we will think today regarding the vowels. So you know that in English we have 44 sounds. We have 44 sounds. Out of 44 sounds, we have 12 vowels, 8 diphthongs, and 24 consonants. So total is 44. In last exam there was a question, compare or what is the difference between vowels and diphthong. So definitely I know that there will be a question in coming exam regarding either for diphthong, vowel or consonant. So be conscious about all these things, what happened actually as far as the vowels are concerned there. So let's see what is the definition of vowel. A vowel is a speech sound in English where the mouth remains open and tongue does not touch the top of the mouth or teeth. Friends, this is very important as far as the vowels are concerned there. A vowel is a speech sound in English where the mouth remains open and the tongue does not touch to the top of the mouth or teeth. Just try to understand through this figure of speech. So what happens when we produce any kind of vowel sound? We have 12 vowel sounds. How sounds are produced? Just let's see with the help of figure of speech. As you know that when air comes from the lungs, it comes in the voice box or the larynx. It is also called the vocal cord. It comes into the vocal cord. Vocal cord vibrates and the air goes into the mouth cavity. Air goes into the mouth cavity. When it goes into the mouth cavity, you know that tongue is very active in mouth. Tongue is the active organ of producing any kind of sound. But when the vowels are produced, the tongue has very slight movement, but it cannot touch to the hard palate or the soft palate or anywhere. Tongue remain the same. It cannot touch the top of the mouth or it cannot touch to the teeth. So as here comes vibrating the vocal cord into the mouth, it goes out of the mouth, and when it goes out of the mouth, all these sounds are vowel sounds. It means that there is no closure, there is no friction, there is no closure of air passage or no narrowing of the passage. It means that air comes from the lungs, vibrating vocal cords and goes out of mouth without any friction. Without any friction. There is no any disturbance. Neither tongue nor teeth nor lips disturb the production of sound, vowel sound. So as it comes from the lungs, it comes vibrating the vocal cord, it comes into the mouth cavity, and when it comes into the mouth cavity, there is a slight changing the position of organs, but the tongue cannot touch to the hard palate or the soft palate or the alveolar ridge. As it comes into the mouth, it goes out of the mouth. That is the vowel. So without any obstruction. Air goes out of the mouth without any obstacle in the mouth. There is no any obstacle. So we can say that there is no friction, no closure of eyes, no friction, no closure of air passage, no narrowing, it happens in case of vowel sound. So friends, this is very important when we produce any vowels. Just take an example. Suppose I have to produce a sound, any kind of sound. Okay, for example, I have to produce a sound of beat. So it has this vowel sound. Okay, what happens when we produce this sound? This sound E. Just look at me very closely. When I have to produce the sound E, E as in beat, E as in seat, not seat. So while producing the sound E, the air comes from my lungs, definitely vibrating the vocal cord, it comes into the mouth, E. My lips are spread somewhat extend, E. The whole tongue is lower down, so there is no obstacle for the air to go out from my mouth. But there is some changes in the position of my mouth, E. Lips are spread, tongue is lower down there, and then air goes out of my mouth. So there is a production of E. No lips are touching to each other, no teeth are touching, upper teeth and lower teeth are touching together. No tongue is touching to the hard palate E. So there is no obstacle, there is no closure air passage, or there is no narrowing of the passage. So it goes out of the mouth, and it happens that there is the production of vowel sound. So friends, all vowels, we have 12 vowel sounds. We have 12 vowel sounds. All vowels are voiced sounds. As you know, we have 12 vowel sounds, and all vowel sounds are called voiced sound. Voiced sound in the sense, when the air comes from the lungs, every time it vibrates the vocal cord. It vibrates the larynx. It vibrates the voice box, and then it comes into the mouth. And as it comes into the mouth, it goes out of the mouth, having some position in the mouth. So all vowels are voiced, and all vowels are oral. It means that all vowels are produced through the mouth only, not the nose. So friends, we have some categories of vowels. Though we have 12 vowels, some vowels are long vowels and some vowels are short vowels. So just have the list. We can have the long vowels. We have the long vowels, just as in E, then A as in card, E as in these, A as in card, O as in what, as in rule, as in rule. Ooh, it's very long. As in serve, as in serve, S-E-R-V-E, as in serve. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the long vowels, and then we have the short vowels too. So we have short vowels. Yes, one more is. So these are the short vowels and these are the long vowels. So friends, just try to understand that what happens in case of vowels when we produce a vowel sound. So with the help of figure of speech, we have seen how vowels are produced. There is no any kind of friction. There is no any kind of obstacle when we produce any kind of vowel. Teeth, tongue, these are passive there. It means that organs are passive when we produce vowels. Just they change their position only to have the proper vowel sound. All vowels are voice sound. As the air comes from the lungs, it goes out of the mouth, and so we have the production of vowel sounds. And then we have some short vowels as well as we have some long vowels. So total 12 vowels are there. So five vowels are the long vowels and remaining 7 vowels are the short vowels. I think that this is very enough. In next video we will see how the vowels can be compared with the diphthong as well as the consonants. So friends, this is enough for the vowels. As far as the exam is concerned, everything is written here. Just try to understand it. If you have any kind of doubt, issue, question regarding the vowels, just write in comments box. Definitely that will be considered in the next video. I think that this is enough for vowel. Please subscribe the channel as well as like it and share it. Thank you very much. Thank you.